Hey guys, welcome to your 13th, I think, music theory tutorial. And in this video I will be talking about what's called the treble clef. Ooh, fancy name. Alright, this is called the treble clef. Now, clef itself is a term you should know. Treble is the type of clef. So we have different types of clefs, but this one is the treble clef. We draw a treble clef like this. Shoot, I screwed it up. Okay, I'm not a very good drawer, but I'm working on it. Like that. And occasionally you'll see a little circle down here at the bottom. Actually, usually. This will be across the 5 lines. Now right here, where it circles around, that represents the G. So, that is the G. Remember I assigned this line the G? Well, that's what a clef does. It tells you what note is on what line, that way we can figure out the rest of them. So now we know that this is a G. Usually this will be off to the side, so it doesn't cross over it. But this is a G, which makes this a C, this a D, an E, this an F. It assigns what notes go to what line. So if we took this, let me erase this a bit, all of it, and we moved it so this now points to the 3rd line rather than the 2nd line from the bottom, this isn't a treble clef anymore, it's something else. And we'll get into that in a long while. It puts the G on the 2nd line from the bottom. Of the 5 lines, it puts it right here, G. And this allows us to figure out everything else because each line in space is the next letter. So the line after G would make this A, this B, this C, this D, this E, this F, and this G. Make sense? Hopefully it does. So to draw a treble clef, we make a line and then a loop, then we scoot off to the side, come back, then we scoot off to the side, come back, then we loop around. Boom! Ha! Awesome. Close enough. Now when we're writing music, you'll often see the 5 lines, and then we'll see off to the side a treble clef. Wow, these get worse and worse every time I draw them. This tells us that for the entire song, this right here is a G. This here, and this here, and this here, and this here, we can figure them out from the G. And I think that's about all I had to say. Even though this video is quite short, I'm not going to ramble on about the same thing for 20 minutes like I usually do. So thank you for watching, and subscribe. See you soon.